When adding cables to your transit, you can type them directly into the cable list online or use Excel to create your list. If you choose to work with Excel, simply click on the Import from Excel button and download the template from there. This file contains the columns you need when adding the data. Type in the cable specifications and be sure to keep the data structure intact. The cable name, diameter and quantity of cables for each row are mandatory information. You can leave the rest of the cells blank if you don't need them. If you add a unique transit name, the system will create a new transit for you. When you're done adding cables, it's time to upload the list. This can be done in two ways. One is to drag and drop your file into the assigned area in the dialog box. The other way is to copy the cells directly from Excel. Open the dialog box and paste them there. If the upload was a success, you can see the cables added to your cable list online.